Stick on you.
Oh, I thought it was gonna squeak, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, come on.
Yeah,
I feel like I'm being washed right now. This is what it feels like to be what's it called again? Profiled?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're being profiled right now. You guys drink for both of us? Drink for both of us? Aloe vera water for both of us? Yeah, look at this. This is the peak drink, guys. Yo, tap in. This is so freaking good.
We'll freaking get it.
We'll freaking get it?
We'll freaking get it.
We'll get it. Yeah, it's good.
Let's go.
Which one did you get? Mango?
Is it mango?
Oh, that's mango, right? Wait, let me see.
Yeah. That's the one we usually get.
That's the mango.
Okay, yeah.
There's like little aloe vera bits in it. It's so good.
Yeah.
Okay, hold the stuff. I'm on the camera. We're gonna go pay for the stuff and we'll catch you guys outside. Okay, we just copped the goods. How we feeling, Duxie?
Did I hang up?
Yo, dang, yo, he hanged up on his mom, bro. He about to get in trouble. Yeah, how you feeling?
Hello?
Hey, Day Day.
Who's Day Day?
What up, Day Day?
Hello. What's up, man? I'm in.
Bacon.
Hola.
Hey, bro.
Hi, Momo.
Say,
Yo, W1 for Ness, bro. We finally, we got out of the house. How you feel about that, bro?
I feel amazing.
How you feel?
I feel amazing.
You feel amazing.
Why does nigga keep calling me and hanging up? Yo, he's rage baiting.
Just block him. Don't ever call him again. Okay, yo, we're about to freaking head out to the lake. We're getting ready to freaking go on the boat. Aren't we, Jordan?
Yeah, I'm done.
You're ready?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I didn't tell y'all. Hold the camera. See, but listen, yo, we're about to go out to the freaking retention pond. If you guys don't know what that is, a retention pond is. I'm not explaining what that is. Look that shit. Yo, why are you laughing?
Bro.
Like, why are you laughing?
Because why are you just gonna make them look it up?
Yeah, look up what a retention.
No, it's cool. I'll put it on the screen. I'll put it on the screen.
You wanna put the definition of a retention pond?
Yeah.
Whatever. Well, anyways, we're about to go float on a
nasty, stinky, dirty water, aren't we?
It actually smells so freaking bad, yo. I'm not gonna lie.
By the way, people pee in there.
That it's just us, bro.
Huh?
It's just us that pee in there.
Oh.
Nah. I mean, I pee in there, but actually, I'm gonna pee in there like as soon as we get there.
Okay.
Yeah.
You gotta pee.
It's gonna be scary though, cause like I bought a freaking boat off Amazon for $30, or it's a raft actually.
Yeah, it's a raft.
Yeah.
Boat.
And we both have to get on the raft.
We'll show you what it looks like once we get there.
Yeah.
All right. I'll see y'all. We'll see y'all.
No. I get to do the transition
Okay,
cut.
go.
No.
What if I cut it off right now?
No, you won't. You won't though. 'Cause I get to do it. Yeah.
Okay, go.
It's like a little TikTok transition. This is the boat we're talking about. It looks a lot bigger.
It looks a lot
bigger.
It looks a lot smaller right now, but like once it blows up, I'll blow up.
So
yeah.
Cue quick montage of only me blowing it up because it's handsome.
There you go.
Get in the boat, Jordan.
Get in it?
Both of
Okay.
us get in it.
Hold it.
Oh gosh. Oh my money.
Yo, put your legs here. Crisscross applesauce, actually. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be in the boat. We're practicing now. Time to throw it over the fence.
Let's go.
Get out, boy. Okay.
Hold on. Oh, you got it. There you go.
Huh?
There you go.
What?
There you go.
No!
Go.
I'm trying.
Doesn't matter.
Oh.
Here, take it.
No. Oh yeah, I gotta take it.
Yeah, because I gotta go.
Okay. Yo, his mom found out he was doing this. Bro, it's cooked. Ouch! Bro, the freaking boat fell on me. Yeah, bring the pump. Yeah, there he goes. Yeah, he got off the fence. I had to freaking run away. You know what? This like took about the same time it took me off the fence. We're gonna run.
Okay. I'm ready.
He's ready. How you feeling, Jordan?
Tired.
Okay, come on, let's go. I gotta take a piss. Oh.
It's freaking disgusting. Sorry, man. Hold up, give me.
Yeah, push me in slowly.
Hold up, I need, you're on.
Wait, hold on.
I am. Okay, he's on it, guys.
Wait, how do I turn?
Turn. Oh gosh.
Okay, wait, I see it, I got it now. I understand now. Nope. This way. Yo, this thing's so freaking bad.
Yo, this is crazy, bro. Into the water.
Yeah, just let it flow. Okay. Okay. Yo.
Go.
Okay. Oh, crap.
Make sure, and then once you oh gosh.
Wait, no, this way. Probably this way. Guys, I'm like really just learning this. Yo, hold on.
Okay, grab.
That was tiring, but peak.
Make sure. Okay, hold on. I gotta check my phone.
Yo, we're ready for the big leagues. Okay, I think I'm not ready going there. I'm gonna go to that river.
Not yet?
No, I am. I'm ready.
Oh, okay.
I think we both are.
All right, guys. Now we're about to go to the big leagues. About to get on the big, get in the big lake. You know how's that?
Hey, guys. Yo, these are not tightened, bro.
Oh.
Who tightened this junk?
I wonder who.
Yeah, me too. It was me.
Guys, I'm really nervous. Honestly. Oh, right here. Go right here.
Hey, it's a lot easier on water, ain't it? Take the camera.
Hold up. I'm not done.
I don't want to be able to see the camera.
You're not.
Look at them all out there. Learning how to swim.
Hey, meet me at the dock area. Maybe at the dock.
This dude's gonna make me walk all the way over there. Okay. I'll see you guys when I get over there, bro.
Grab my hand.
All right.
I'll swim away.
Come on. Oh, my Crocs.
Oh, dang, you got the dirty water in there.
Yeah. It's cold.
Oh!
It is cold.
Yo, we're walking in now.
Hold this, please. Oh my.
Hey, Duxie, get on the boat. Hey, wait. You wanna put it like this?
Wait, hold on.
Hey, bro, you sometimes gotta get dirty, okay? Stay on top.
Okay.
Yo, you're gonna have freaking mud all over my freaking.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, you're not.
Yo. Okay. Oh gosh.
Oh! Oh, shit. Yo, how are we getting off this boat, though?
Oh no!
Hey, it's all a process.
Okay. Just push off.
Fuck! I gotta get shit off. I feel the freaking braiding amoeba eating my Fuck.
Yo. Alright. Oh gosh.
You want to say a prayer now?
Okay. I really can't. Oh, I'm open.
Look at me.
Hold up.
No, just give it to me. I'm
nervous.
Just don't worry about it.
Stop moving so much. You're waddling too much. Stop! You're scaring me. You're like that far from the shore.
Keep the camera on me, boy. Or not the wire.
I'll grab it. Hold on. Hold the phone.
Oh gosh.
I'll get it.
Okay.
Or just pull it in.
Yo, that was a beautiful sunset, yo. Hold up. Oh my gosh, yo.
Sorry.
Okay. Remember, no.
Hard.
Okay, remember. Down, up. Now you gotta have all full movements of your oh my gosh. Yeah, y'all do it now.
I know. I got it.
You got it. Yep.
We're doing it.
Huh?
We're doing it.
We're doing it. Yo, look how close we are.
We are?
Yeah, we are.
Hold up.
Yo, no, we have to go there, that way.
Oh.
Cause okay, you gotta turn.
Okay.
That one, yeah, that one. How about I get one paddle and you get one paddle? Let's see how that works.
You show. You show. Alright, turn your side.
Wait.
Turn.
Oh yeah.
I think my mom was just calling me.
Okay, we gotta start the chant again. Oh wait.
What do we do?
No, we gotta get. Okay, we're hitting freaking land.
Here, let me get it.
Okay. Yeah. Push out. Okay. Okay, let's get it. Okay, turn around.
Wait, are we on?
Yeah, we're
I
on.
just have turn.
Yeah, turn.
Okay.
Duxie finally rowing us. Finally putting in his freaking work.
Freak. To here.
Oh yeah. Oh,
To us, getting onto the water and
Christopher Columbus
You
talking
know?
about it's hard or something, bro.
what?
Christopher Columbus talking about something freaking rowing a boat was hard. Like, come on, bro.
Come on, bro.
That's that first time.
Freaking get your
no
drink.
Practice. Oh wait. Oh my bad.
Getting on this water and being able to do this.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. One of my drinks just pop. You heard that?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Yo, we're finally approaching land. Okay. So how are we gonna board? How are we gonna board?
No.
Yeah, it's a problem we get when we get there.
Go.
Oh my god! Oh my lady!
Pull me in.
Wait, what?
Pull me in.
Oh yeah. Alright, I see. Whew. Actually, depends on how the video is. Actually, nah, you can have it.
We did it.
We did it, yo! How you
Alright.
feeling?
I'm feeling amazing.
Amazing, bro. Talking so weird, scared me. Ain't nothing to be scared of.
Alright, guys.
I'm not gonna lie, I low-key planned on us falling into the water and having to swim back. I low-key thought it was gonna happen, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, damn, I lose a $500 camera.
We did it.
You did it?
Alright, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss another video. And yeah, let's freaking go.
Punch the camera. Okay.